Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Seat Leon 1.6 petrol. The AC condenser here, we can see it is located behind this grill, behind the bumper. So in order to get access to the AC condenser, we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, there is a couple of bolts holding it on the sides where the wheel arch liner is. There is one bolt located right there and a couple of bolts on the wheel arch liner, which are this one, and one down there. And it's the same on the other side, one on top and then a couple of bolts going down. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. These are the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. The bolts are right there. Now that we've removed all the bolts holding the front bumper, we're just going to pull out the bumper. Now that the bumper is off, there is a couple of electrical connectors that we need to disconnect and then take out the bumper. Next, we're going to remove the cooling radiator fan. That's it right there. First, we need to disconnect the electrical connector that's on the bottom. It's right there. I need to put this red tab and then press on the tab and pull out the connector. There's also a couple of bolts holding the cooling fan, 2 bolts on one side and 2 on the other side. One there, one on the bottom, and then one there and one on the bottom. Now we're going to start removing the 4 bolts holding the cooling fan. Next, we'll move to the side this coolant hose, and also this air intake hose is also in our way. We're going to remove that. We're going to remove this thing, this plastic for the air intake as well. It's held by two bolts. We need to remove them and then pull it out. Before being able to remove the cooling fan, first we're going to remove the bolt holding this AC line, because we need to move the AC line to the side. This is the bolt right there that we need to remove. And now we can take out the cooling fan. We just need to pull it out. If it doesn't want to come out, just wiggle it a little bit and it will come out eventually. And that's the cooling fan out. Now that the cooling fan is out, we have access to remove the radiator and also the AC condenser. To remove them, we need to, this is holding the cooling radiator in place, and this rubber thing is holding the radiator in place. They're held by two bolts, one there and one on that side. We need to remove those bolts, and then the radiator and the condenser will be free to move. Now that I removed both bolts, we can see that the radiator is free to move on that side as well. Next, I'm going to remove the bolt holding the AC lines to the AC condenser. There is two AC lines, two bolts, that's one, and the other one is next to it. There's the two AC lines removed. Next, I'm going to remove the bolts holding the AC condenser to the radiator. There's four bolts holding the AC condenser to the radiator. These are the two on this side, one on top, one on the bottom, and on the other side there's one there and one on the bottom. Now that the 4 bolts are removed, we can see the AC condenser is free from the radiator. So now the only thing left is to take it out. To take out the AC condenser, we're going to take it out from the bottom. So in order to do that, we need to remove this engine under tray. And now we can take out the AC condenser. That's the AC condenser out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. Before installing the new AC condenser, make sure you put about 50 milliliters of pack 46 AC oil in it, and then you can put it on the car. Also, don't forget to replace the O-rings on the two AC lines. Assembling it is in the exact reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.